On April 25, 1953, a series of papers were published in the journal Nature about the newly discovered double helix structure of DNA by four great scientists: Rosalind Franklin, James Watson, Francis Crick, Maurice Wilkins, and their colleagues. Up until this point, we still didn't know what the structure of DNA was. It was known that genes were composed of DNA, and it was known that DNA had four main building blocks: adenine, guanine, thymine, and cytosine, attached to a phosphate backbone somehow. It was known that of the four main building blocks, two pairs could be formed in that adenine and thymine seemed to be found in equal amounts as each other, and the same was true for guanine and cytosine. Rosalind Franklin and Maurice Wilkins, working at King's College London, were using something known as X-ray diffraction. If you expose something to X-ray beams, the direction of the beams will change based on the structure of the atoms in it. By capturing an image of how the X-rays have changed direction, scientists would then work backwards to what the molecular structure of a substance was. Many people will know about the famous Photo 51, which was an X-ray diffraction image of DNA taken by Rosalind Franklin and her postgraduate assistant, Raymond Gosling. Meanwhile, Watson and Crick at Cambridge University were working on the theory, piecing together various bits of information and from that, trying to work out what the structure could be. The two teams often shared information, though, rather famously, Watson was shown photograph 51 without Franklin's knowledge. Both groups, and others, were starting to come to the conclusion that DNA was made up of some sort of helix-shaped molecule. April 25, 1953, was the day when that discovery, that DNA is made up of the double helix structure we know so well today, was published. While Watson, Crick, and Wilkins all received the Nobel Prize for this discovery in 1962, Rosalind Franklin didn't, because she had died, aged just 37, from ovarian cancer in 1958. While we don't know the exact cause of her cancer, her repeated exposure to X-rays during the course of her groundbreaking work is thought to have played a part, and sadly, Nobel Prizes are only awarded to those who can collect them.